Welcome to the Xmachine Feature Spotlight series. In this series, we'll walk through the advanced features that make the WM-100 a powerhouse. From automatic tool changing and auto tool setting to workpiece measurement and more. Let's get started with automatic tool changer. Meet the concealed automatic tool changer on Xmachine WM-100. Xmachine pioneered this unique system for desktop CNC. Preload your tools and let the machine swap automatically. Watch how it automatically unfolds to access up to 6 tools, and folds back seamlessly during operation to save space and boost efficiency. Whether moving from roughing to finishing, there's no stopping and no hands-on tool swaps. Your workflow stays smooth and efficient, so you can stop babysitting the machine and focus on what matters most: designing and creating. Next time, we'll demonstrate auto tool setting. Let us know in the comments which feature you'd like to see. Thanks for watching.